Hello, this is Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing with another video on meditation. This one is on how to do your meditation. Well, some hints and tips on how you can do your meditation. Anyway, meditation is very beneficial for you. It will calm you, it will relax you. So the main thing is just start meditating. Just start feeling what feels right for you. Choose the right way for you, and once you've started, you'll love it eventually, you know. Just make sure you're always comfortable. It will help. So you can do meditation anywhere, anytime, and any length you want. That's already really handy because it's not in that body of like, this is how it has to be like. Just go with the flow. If you have 2 minutes and you want to do a meditation, just do it. Why not? So for a preparation, I would set aside a little bit of time with an intention to meditate. If you do that every day or whenever you feel like it, it's good. You will be forming a habit of, hey, I feel like meditation. I haven't done it for a while, so I will meditate today. And then you look at your schedule and you go like, oh yeah, I can fit it in there. That's really good. If you have something to do afterwards, just set your alarm. That's fine. Just in case you fall asleep, or just in case you're enjoying it so much and it's going so well that you get taken who knows where, then it's good. Just set your alarm, then you don't have to worry about the time. Because the main thing is, don't worry and be happy, right? And well, with the meditation, you will be feeling calmer and more relaxed anyway. So win, 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 win. So to prepare, you've set aside some time. You know just about how long you can meditate for. And then if you are a person whose brain is always busy and your thoughts are always in the forefront, then maybe it's a good idea to do a brain dump. A brain dump is a coaching thing. You grab a piece of paper and a pen, and digital if you want these days. You write down everything that's on your mind. Like if it's somewhere in the back of your head, oh that's right, I need to go and get some milk, write it down so you don't have to think about it. It won't come up in your meditation. It's not something that you need to look at in a meditation. So oh yeah, and I'm supposed to ring Lisa back, blah blah blah, you know, just write it all down, anything that comes up. And sometimes it will take 30 seconds, and sometimes it will take a minute to write down everything that's actually in your brain that you think you need to remember. But your brain is it's absolutely amazing, and everything that you think goes in a little envelope and it comes back at the right time for you anyway. So anyway, that's besides this point. Do a brain dump if you are really busy in your head. It will help with meditating, especially also if you get upset if there's thoughts coming in your head while you're meditating. Personally, I don't, because I like having a thought and going with the flow of my thought and healing a situation, healing the way I act or react, or the way I remember something. It may not, that is the way I remember something. But if there were other people involved, they may not remember it the same way as me. So I like going with the flow of my thoughts because I do some healing while I do a meditation. And like what I said in the other video as well, if something comes up for you in a thought, just go with it, especially if it's a situation that you have been worrying about, or maybe it's a pattern that keeps coming up in your life or something like that. Just sit with it. See if you can go a little bit deeper into it. See if you can find out why you have that pattern or why you had that reaction, and maybe decide, like firmly decide on what you will do next time when you're in a very similar situation and you didn't like the way you reacted this time. Then you can confirm in this meditation that you will act a different way next time. And it will be this particular way, and that way it's gone. You can just let it go. The power of meditation. Yay. All these things, all these spooks in the back of your head, they can just go. It's brilliant. So I suggest go with the flow of your thoughts. Don't fight your thoughts. If you fight, you feel upset, you're probably more tense. not a good thing. We would like to be calm and relaxed. So meditation is not a chore, so do it whenever you want. If you have a personality that needs to have structure, then build it into your structure, into your schedule. That's fine. Just make sure it's not a chore. When you start your meditation, you got to make sure you sit comfortably, you're happy, and smile. That way, it will work. I'm sure it will work. Whether you have your eyes open or closed, that's fine, not a problem. Sit, relax, let it flow. Whatever comes into your mind, let it go. If you need to move your body. Don't go against your body, because that's another thing that's not good for you either. The main thing is we want to be calm, we want to be relaxed, we want to be happy. So go with the flow of your thoughts, feel happy, make sure it's not a chore, smile, be comfortable, allow yourself to move. Sit, lay down, relax, let it flow. Do whenever you want it, wherever you want it, and for whatever length you can or want to do it. And choose the right way for you, because there's so many different types of meditation out there, so many different ways of how to do a meditation. The main thing is you got to make sure it sits for you, it feels good for you. Because if you don't feel good about it, you don't want to do it again. And that's not what we want. We want you to meditate. That's why you're watching this video on how to meditate. Right, so that was a bit about how I think meditation can be for anybody, really. And watch my other videos, subscribe to my channel. There'll be 4 videos on meditation. And basically for meditation, just do it. Just start it. You'll be thankful that you did. Anyway, I'll see you at the next video. Thank you very much. Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing. Have a nice day.